everyone, how you doing today? I'm here with a different video today. In this video I'm gonna show you guys, most people they've been asking me the same question. I just want to show you guys how to do it and where to get the parts, and pretty much how can you upgrade your hard drive, your space in your laptop, or add a second hard drive to your laptop. So in this video I'm just gonna grab this particular laptop. It is a Gateway laptop. That's an X laptop. Has a DVD-ROM. I'm just gonna flip it over. So what you want to do, you want to grab your laptop, flip it over, and remove this bottom cover, the service cover right here. Some people have the service cover, some people don't. What I want to do, I just want to remove the service cover to show you guys something. So I'm gonna remove all the screws for the service cover. Before anything, I'm just gonna unhook the battery. And once you remove the service cover screws, lift up the service cover. This applies to any other laptop. You don't have to have this specific model. For example, this model, it comes with one hard drive, okay? But there isn't a space to add a second hard drive here. But they did not put the connector for the SATA cables, SATA connectors. So there is no jack, so you cannot pretty much add it. If you get a different version with a different motherboard, they will have the connectors there. But let's just imagine that you guys don't have this end. So you only have the one mechanical hard drive right there, and you want to add one more in there. So next thing you want to do, you want to remove the CD-ROM or DVD-ROM. And by removing it, it should be one screw under the cover, the service cover. In this case, is right here, or sometimes it's right over this cover. You don't have to actually open it up. So what you want to do, you want to remove your DVD-ROM right from there. So unhook the screw. Sometimes you do not have some people, just lately I've seen some laptops, they do have the side where the DVD-ROM goes in, but there is only a plastic cover in there. You can check it on my other videos. You don't necessarily need a working DVD-ROM, you just need the space for the DVD-ROM. So in this case, I have actual DVD-ROM in there. So we're gonna remove this DVD-ROM by just pulling it from the plastic, which I don't recommend. Or after unscrewing it, just from here, this gap right there, you're just gonna push the screwdriver in, and it's gonna pop open the CD-ROM here. And you're just gonna slide it out. So this is your CD-ROM. Pretty much almost nobody uses the CD-ROM these days. So what you want to do, you want to grab your CD-ROM, put it to one side, and the magic happens right now. I'm going to put in a link in the description. You're going to buy one of these caddies. I call this hard drive caddy for DVD-ROM. You're going to grab one of these, and you can swipe the cover, the face cover for both. This one comes with this one. You can actually remove it and put the one that you have, so it can actually look nicer if you want to. If you don't, just leave it there. You can put this in a box, just put it somewhere, don't lose it in case you want to sell your laptop. So you're gonna grab this one right here, and you're gonna grab your new hard drive or your old mechanical hard drive. Let's imagine which is this one. You're just gonna add it right in there and slide it in, and you're all done. Now you have your new hard drive in a caddy of the DVD-ROM. So what you want to do, you want to put this one in and slide it down, and that's it. Now it looks kind of ugly here because I haven't changed the faceplate. If you want, you can go ahead and change the faceplate. And that's how it works. But in order for this one to not fall off, it just won't come out. You want to change the screws. Hold on, I gotta flip over. Because you cannot just put the screws in, because you need to put both in the same direction and remove these two screws and grab this metal plate right here and plug it in to this end. So you can actually screw it in so you want to slide back out. And once you do that, and you will have, once you boot up, you will see your two hard drives in my computer in device manager. You can add them together or just do a RAID partition or whatever you like. So that's an easy way to upgrade your extra space for your laptop without losing any hard drive. Imagine you're gonna go ahead and put the screw for it. In this model, I'm not gonna do the change because this is a client's laptop. Anyway, so you can remove the cover. Let me show you guys, for those people that they may ask, how to change the faceplate. To change this faceplate, you have to actually pop open the what do you call it? The CD-ROM. How to do it manually? You wanna grab something sharp, and you wanna stick it in this tiny hole right beside the push eject button right there, gently, and it will come out. You don't need to power it on or anything like that. You can just close it, just gently press it, very gentle, and it will just pop open. That's for the emergency time. Once you open it up, in order to remove this cover, it's roughly easy. You need a flat screwdriver. Let me zoom in. You want to grab your flat screwdriver right over there. You want to see this hinge right there. This end, put it in there, just push it out. Just like that. Now you have your old face cover in. You can grab this one and remove this old one and plug this one in on top of this one, and you are all set. That should answer some of your questions, how to remove the faceplate and then put it back in. Next, you want to grab the bottom cover and put it on. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any more questions regarding your hard drive replacement or anything, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to make more videos and answer more questions. Thanks for watching.